Alright, we got this head ground out now. So that had that exhaust spigot up there before. Now it's gone. Got all that aluminum all the way over here. That was all welded on. So get all that crap away. You can still see there's a little bit of porosity through here from the weld where they did it before, but I got most of it all out of there now. So now I got a clean surface to weld up from. Fix all these other cracks. It should be good on this head. This one, the D-ring holes look good, so I don't have to weld any of those up. So this head here is pretty well done grinding on. So there's a matching head here. This is the other head for the set. So this one has the stock cast board on there, so I'll just knock off this real thin stuff here. I'll keep the rest of this over here. I'll weld off of that. See how that works. If it doesn't weld very well, I'll just take the whole thing off and start over. I might do that anyway. Now this head here has got a lot of other issues up here in all these holes. You can see how these things are way oversized, been tapped out. Stock one here, that's huge, that one's huge, this one's huge, huge, this one, so you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of these holes are all big. So there's 2 different ways of doing these. You can V them out from the outside edge and just weld up the trough, which is pretty quick and simple, but you do have on the outside, you are going to lose your original detail out here of how it's made if you do it that way. The other way is you can come in and countersink it down a little bit and weld it down, but you can only go in maybe a 1/4 inch doing it that way, and that doesn't really fix the hole. It just kind of covers the hole. So I don't really like that method too much, and it winds up being more work than it's worth, because if you V it from this side, you still got the hole on the bottom that's wrong. So most of these I just cut them from the side and do it that way. This one over here is a real pain in the ass to do. You gotta come in here and cut out the hole. This whole back side here has got to be completely cut out, real deep, because the hole's in a solid part of the head where you don't have access to it. So you got to make access by cutting it out. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut these out here now so we can get this head ready to prep it up for doing it too. Get rid of the exhaust spigot. So anyway, we'll get this one done up. We got 2 more to do, and then we're ready for some welding.